Do you want to turn your long videos into viral shorts, ready for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels? With OpusClip AI, you can do it automatically, fast, easy, and with professional results. OpusClip is an AI-powered video editor that analyzes your entire video, finds the most engaging moments, and automatically creates short, viral-ready clips optimized for social media. To get started, simply upload your video to OpusClip. You can drag and drop a file from your computer or paste a YouTube link. The AI instantly begins analyzing your content. Once the analysis is complete, click Get Clips. OpusClip automatically selects the highlights and generates multiple short videos, complete with captions and transitions, ready to post. Now it's time to customize your clips. You can change colors, add your logo, adjust fonts, and use branded templates to make your content look consistent and professional. When your clips are ready, export them in vertical format or share directly to your favorite platforms. You can even schedule automatic posts right from OpusClip. And that's it! You've just learned how to use OpusClip AI to turn your long videos into powerful short content that boosts attention and engagement. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tools and tutorials from Tooltopia AI.